In this video, we'll deploy OpenBao on Cuemby Cloud. In the video, we configure the image, the instance, choose the necessary resources, and launch the deployment from the platform. While Cuemby Cloud performs the provisioning, there are several points worth keeping in mind. One of them is the network, because depending on the OpenBao configuration, it can operate only on an internal network or be enabled with a public IP address for controlled external access, as is the case here. Another important point is backups, as they help protect the configuration and critical information of the environment. Furthermore, in a tool like this, it's also crucial to consider secure access to the interface or API, especially when it's exposed outside the private network. The official documentation indicates that the web UI can be activated, served on the same listener port, and starts using TLS to secure access. OpenBao is an open-source solution designed to securely manage secrets, credentials, certificates, and keys. Instead of leaving this sensitive information scattered across applications or manual configurations, OpenBao helps centralize and controlling who can access it. It also offers secret engines to store encrypted data or generate dynamic credentials on demand. This is invaluable in OpenBao because we're not just talking about another application, but a key component for strengthening the operational security of other services and environments. The project describes it as an open-source identity-based secret management and encryption system. With this, the client not only sees how to deploy OpenBao on Cuemby Cloud, but also how to enable a more robust foundation for working securely with access and protection of sensitive information.